In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all photos the same length in CapCut PC. If you want every photo in your slideshow or video edit to stay on screen for exactly the same amount of time, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. Keeping your image duration consistent makes your video feel cleaner, more professional, and much easier to watch. The good news is that CapCut PC gives you a couple of simple ways to handle this, whether you are starting a new project or you have already added your photos to the timeline. First, it is best to set your default photo length before importing anything. To do that, go to the top left corner and click the menu button or the gear icon, then open Settings. From there, head to the Edit tab and look for the option called Image Duration. This is where you can choose exactly how long each photo should appear by default. Type in your target time, for example 3 seconds, and then click Save. Once that is done, every new photo you drag into your timeline will automatically come in at that exact length. This saves time and helps you stay consistent right from the beginning. Now, if your photos are already on the timeline, don't worry, you can still fix everything in just a few clicks. Click and drag your cursor across all of your photo clips to select them together, or simply press Ctrl+A if you want to select everything at once. Make sure the photo clips are highlighted so you know they are all selected and ready to be edited together. Once they are selected, you can adjust them all at the same time. Move your mouse to the outer right edge of any one of the highlighted photo clips. Then click and drag left or right to shorten or extend the duration. Because all of the photo clips are selected, they will all resize together and match the same timing. If you want something even more precise, take a look at the top right Properties panel. Under Speed, you should see a duration box. Enter your exact preferred duration there, and CapCut will set every selected photo to that same length instantly. This is especially useful if you want a perfectly exact time for each image, and that's it. Once you use either of these methods, all your photos will match in duration and your edit will feel much more polished.